Welcome. We're diving into the surprising and sometimes shocking truth about the deadliest animals right here in America. When you think of dangerous animals, you might picture bears or sharks. But the reality is that the biggest threats come from unexpected sources. We'll reveal the animals responsible for the most fatalities and injuries across the country, starting with some that might completely surprise you. Prepare to look at common creatures differently. The statistics show that size isn't always the measure of danger. Starting our list, the deadliest animal isn't a predator. It's the mosquito. While they don't directly attack, their ability to transmit disease is lethal. Mosquitoes are vectors for serious illnesses like West Nile virus, Zika, and Eastern equine encephalitis, leading to multiple human fatalities each year. Simple prevention is key. Use insect repellent, wear long sleeves, and eliminate standing water around your home to reduce mosquito breeding grounds. Next up, the unassuming white-tailed deer. They pose a grave risk, primarily through deer vehicle collisions on American roads. These collisions cause thousands of injuries and numerous fatal car accidents annually, particularly during dawn, dusk, and the fall mating season. To avoid a deer vehicle accident, always be vigilant when driving in wooded areas. Slow down, and if you see one deer, assume others are nearby. Venomous snakes, though less fatal than deer accidents, still account for a number of deaths each year due to their powerful neurotoxins and hemotoxins. The main culprits are the pit vipers, rattlesnakes, copperheads, and cottonmouths, along with the elusive coral snake. They are found across various American ecosystems. If bitten, stay calm, call for emergency help immediately, and avoid moving the affected limb. Wear boots and long pants when hiking in snake habitats. Another surprising animal on the list is the domestic dog. While beloved pets, dog attacks unfortunately result in several tragic fatalities each year. Fatal dog attacks often involve familiar dogs or situations where the victim is defenseless, highlighting the need for vigilance even around common pets. Responsible pet ownership, proper training, and never leaving small children unsupervised with dogs are critical steps to prevent fatal incidents. Rounding out our top unexpected dangers, cows are responsible for farm-related fatalities due to accidental trampling or crushing. These incidents usually occur on farms, involving bulls or cows protecting calves, emphasizing that even domesticated large animals demand respect. Always maintain a safe distance and be aware of your surroundings when working near or interacting with large domesticated animals, especially bulls. The deadliest animals in America are often not the ones we fear most in movies. They are the common animals that pose risks through disease or accidents. Remember, the biggest risks come from tiny vectors like mosquitoes, accidents involving large animals like deer and cows, and preventable incidents with domestic dogs. Stay informed, practice vigilance on the road and in nature, and always prioritize safety around animals, big and small. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Though less common for fatalities, certain venomous jellyfish species along American coasts can deliver painful and sometimes dangerous stings. When hiking, the primary wildlife concerns are usually bears, large cats like mountain lions, and venomous snakes. Always make noise and carry appropriate deterrents. Mountain lions, while rare in attacks, often hunt at night. Avoid hiking alone or at night in known mountain lion territory. Mountain lions, or cougars, are powerful predators. Though attacks are infrequent, they can be fatal, usually targeting lone individuals or children. Lakes and rivers can harbor risks like alligators in the southeast, snapping turtles, and sometimes aggressive fish, so always be aware when swimming or wading. Swamps and bayous have the highest concentration of serious dangers, including alligators and venomous water snakes. Never feed alligators or approach this. Moving on, the most statistically deadly animal group involves creatures you might barely notice: insects. They pose a significant, often overlooked, health risk. Mosquitoes, specifically, are the deadliest, thanks to the pathogens they carry. Diseases like West Nile virus, while not always fatal, are constant threats. Bees, wasps, and hornets cause dozens of fatalities annually, primarily through anaphylaxis, a severe allergic reaction to their venom. If you're allergic, be extremely cautious. America's waterways harbor unique dangers. Let's look at some marine and freshwater animals that pose a lethal threat. Alligators and crocodiles are powerful ambush predators. While fatal encounters are uncommon, they are swift and lethal in their habitats in the southern U.S. Beyond sharks, stingrays and some venomous fish, like the stonefish, found in coastal waters, can deliver painful and potentially lethal stings. Large mammals often generate the most fear, while rare, aggressive encounters can be deadly, making avoidance and respect for their territory absolutely key. Both black and grizzly bears are found across different American wildernesses. Knowing how to store food and what to do during an encounter is vital to staying safe. Surprisingly, deer are responsible for numerous human fatalities, overwhelmingly through vehicle collisions, making them a major roadway danger. America has several venomous snake species. While snake bites are infrequent, prompt and proper medical attention is critical for survival. Rattlesnakes, copperheads, and cottonmouths are the main concerns. Learn to identify them and, if bitten, immediately seek medical treatment. In the event of a dangerous encounter or venomous bite, the fastest route to medical treatment is your best chance for a full recovery. Coexisting with wildlife requires respect, awareness, and preparation. Staying informed is the best defense. Remember, domestic dogs and insects are the top fatality drivers. Don't forget the risks posed by deer, bears, and venomous snakes. Always research local wildlife dangers, keep pets secure, and respect animal space. Your safety starts with knowledge and caution. At the top of the list, the tiny terror, mosquitoes. Globally, they are the deadliest, and they still take the most lives annually in the US too. Mosquitoes are vectors for serious diseases like West Nile virus, Eastern equine encephalitis, and other less common but fatal illnesses. It's the disease, not the bite, that kills. While numbers vary, mosquito-borne illnesses account for a significant number of deaths each year, dwarfing fatalities caused by larger predators. Number 2 on our list might seem gentle: the white-tailed deer. Their danger comes not from aggression, but from our interaction with them. The primary threat from deer is vehicle collisions. These deer vehicle accidents cause severe damage, injuries, and unfortunately, hundreds of human fatalities every year. Estimates suggest deer are responsible for more than 200 human deaths annually, primarily on rural roads, making them far deadlier than wolves or bears. The most dangerous species in the U.S. include rattlesnakes, copperheads, and cottonmouths. Their venom requires immediate medical attention. Always watch where you step, especially in rocky or wooded areas. If bitten, seek emergency care immediately and try to remain calm to slow the spread. Finally, livestock, particularly cows and horses, pose a surprising danger, primarily to people working with them. Cows, especially bulls or mother cows protecting calves, can be aggressive. Fatalities often result from being trampled or crushed due to their immense size. For farm workers, understanding livestock behavior and following strict safety protocols is crucial to prevent serious or fatal accident. So the deadliest animals in America are less about sharp teeth and more about disease, road accidents, and proximity to large, powerful creatures. The greatest threats often come from the smallest and most common creatures. Awareness is your best defense against these unexpected dangers. Respecting nature, following safety guidelines, and exercising caution are key to enjoying the outdoors safely and minimizing risk.